Daddy and Grandma and Grandpa. What is it?
Now you know what?
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Is that her?
Yes.
Is that the right one?
Yes, it was.
Is that really her?
Yes, it is.
Get her out. Let's see what she is.
Pony.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Wow.
You might want to show Maddie that one.
Do you need help getting her out?
Okay, Max, I'm gonna touch
cute.
her.
Do you want to open your present? Here, take your picture with Dad. And Butterscotch.
She is beautiful, Abigail.
We have to take her out and see what she does.
What is it?
Butterscotch.
Butterscotch what?
Pudding.
Butterscotch.
Maxwell, let's see that one. Look,
Butterscotch.
Look, go like this. Go like this. Look, watch. Oh, well, I can't wait to get her out.
Oops. You got that.
We'll say, Mommy, get her out there.
Have scissors?
I want to see what she does.
They're out in the kitchen, I guess.
New scissors.
There's Butterscotch Pony.
Now, somebody's going.
How did you know Santa would bring her?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I want to pat her.
Maxwell.
Okay, say we're coming, Butterscotch.
We're coming.
We're gonna get you out.
Does she even talk?
I think she does. I think Santa brought it for Daddy.
Perfect.
They're great for kids. Do they probably have one at a daycare, do they?
They have a musician come in.